Hello everybody, today I will be going over how to create a simple footstep system in Unreal Engine 5 using Metasounds. So let's get straight to it. Alright, so now that we have our level opened up, let's get straight into the Metasounds. So, gonna have to open a content drawer, and as you can see I already set up a folder with a sound effect in it. I found mine on freesounds.org, but if you look up free sound effects, you can find many websites that offer free sound effects. Now, let's take a listen to it. So that's going to be the sound of our footstep. So now let's create a Metasound. So we're going to go into audio, and the first thing you see, Metasound source. So let's click on it. And then let's name this ms underscore footsteps. Double click on that. Now, as you can see, we have our input and two outputs. So let's get the most important piece in there, our wave player, because that's where our sound is going to be played. This is where we input our sound effect into wave asset. So let's click this right here and find our footstep right here. And then on the input on play, we just simply connect it to on play or play. And then let me rearrange these, because on finished, we connect this to the output of on finished, and out mono to the matching output right here. And let's save. And that's it. That is a very simple Metasound setup. We just have our input, wave player, our footstep, and our outputs. But now, how are we going to tell it, or how are we going to make it so that when we take a step, a sound plays? Well, we actually need to go into our run animation for that. So let's open that up. Go into our content drawer. No, wrong one. Go to our content drawer. Characters, mannequins, animations, and I believe my third person mannequin is Quinn. And then walk forward. Oh, what am I talking about? Walk forward. We're gonna work with run forward. Okay. And what's very helpful is that it tells us when the mannequin is going to step, or when we are going to step. As you can see in the green spots right there. You got RL, RL, RL for, you know, our feet. So let's go into notifies and then click down on track and add notified track. I'll leave it at 2 right there. And let's pause this. And I want to get it so that once the foot lands, the sound plays. See, like there. That's when the foot first touches the floor. So not on the green spot. You got it, like, if you want it very precise, you got to do this manually, I guess. You have to find the spot. So we're just going to right click on there, add notify, and then we're gonna find the play sound. Now let's make this easier on ourselves. So let's click on the play sound, and on the right side find sound, click here. Now let's find our Metasound, MS footsteps. Now, to make it very easy for ourselves, we're just going to copy and paste. So copy, then find the footstep, and paste. And you just want to repeat this process. So right foot down, paste. I don't know why that spawned on the top. And the left foot, it's there. Paste. Right foot around there. Paste. And then lastly, the left foot around there. paste. There you go. Now let's hear it. Alright. There you go. Now we're literally all done. That's how simple it was. So now let's save everything. And let's just run around. Oh, missed that jump. Oh well. Nice. So this is how you create a very simple footstep system in Unreal Engine 5 using Metasounds. Now I know with footsteps, the sound will come out differently when you walk on different flooring. So it'd be like grass, wood, snow. But I'm gonna leave that for another video, for another time. So this was creating a simple footstep system in Unreal Engine 5 using Metasounds. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys found this useful, you know. And definitely maybe the next video I'll cover how to change the sound for different flooring. But for now, I gotta go. So hope you guys enjoyed, and see you later. Peace out.